Akala ko kasi pareho ang pintig ng ating puso. You promised you would stay, but you threw it all away. Binigay ko ang lahat sa'yo, umasa ko sa'yo ng buo. Ang aga pa, gising pa rin ako nag-iisip sa sofa, thinking of things that we used to be. Tattooed on my memory, malamig ang hangin dito. You were my home, my safety, my hero. Nilunod mo ako sa mga pangako, promises that felt like steel but were actually hollow. Umasa ako sa'yo ng buo. Akala ko kasi pareho ang tintig ng ating puso. You promised you would stay, but you threw it all away. Binigay ko ang lahat sa'yo, umasa ko sa'yo ng buo. Sabi mo walang iwanan, look at me now hanging in the balance. Checking my phone like a fool every minute, but you close the door and you stay far within it. Naniwala sa mga tamis ng salta, naniwala sa bawat tulo ng iyong luha. Sana sinabi mo na hindi mo kaya. I built a life on a foundation of sin. How could you do this? How could you leave me? How could you walk away like I was nothing? Everything was real for me, nothing was a dream for me. Just another lesson learned the hard